Kuria kaunti ya Siaya na aria ni Atongoria Makanitha ni mathiete na mbere na gwikiritana kuri President William Ruto etikire kunanira njungwa na mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya Azimio Raila Kenya Coalition Raila Odinga itemi-ini ria gwetha thayo guku makithi na mbere na kuga ati thayo no kio kihonia gia bururi uyu. Ukiri uguo ni mathiete na mbere na kumenereria mirurungano iria ikoretwo igitabanio ni ngwataniro ya Azimio na makiria gucoka gukirira hinya mukiruku uria ukoragwo kana uria urakoretwo ukihũthĩrwo na makiria kuhurana na andu aria marakorirwo kana marakoretwo makirurungana maya mokite riri ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja yambite guteaniria mirurungano yao ya gutetia thirikari ya President William Ruto.
So Pia Nyango, the chairman of Siaya County Church Leaders Forum. We thank God for answering our prayers by talking to the Azimio Coalition to call off this week's demonstrations as a sign of peace building. We, the Siaya County Church Leaders Forum, are concerned with the recent happenings in the nation and wish to state the following. Number one, we are concerned about the killing of the innocent and brutal use of the firearms on the unarmed citizens. Number two, we are concerned about the withdrawal of security on key leaders and acts of intolerance. Number three, we are concerned about politicians coming into some churches and making political statements on church platforms. And number four, we are advising the police to desist using too much force and detention. We advise that they do so peacefully without blocking and banning roads.
Aya, tukithina mbere ni ati no aikari